Hello friends, I am Sujeet again with you, and today we discussed about the and or in the if conditions. So last video we discussed about the if conditions and we give the different types of the if examples, and now we discuss about the and formula. So here is the sales, and I want to incentive here which sales quantity is 50 to 80 give the 800. But problem is it ki I can't do with the if because one if have a one conditions, but I have the two conditions. Condition greater than 50 and less than 80. Greater than 50 and less than 80. So we have used the and formula. And formula, which we have the multiple conditions and both of the conditions have required. So second, select here, it is greater than equal to 80 and comma, again select here, less than equal to 80 and press the enter. Result, give the result true and false. But I don't want result true and false. I want to result in 800 and 0. So that time we have applied the if formula before of the and give the here 800 and 0. Press the enter and we have breakdown here. You can see result will be here. So when you have the more than one condition and both other condition have required, that time we have used the and. But remember, and give only for true and false result. So you want to result according to your requirements, that time we have used the if formula. But we have the multiple conditions, but not required. So this is a Saturday and Sunday, then so the office off, otherwise open. Here is not applied the and because in the one sale have a one Saturday, yes, Sunday. Not possible. Saturday, Sunday both are in the one sale. So that time we have applied the all formula or equal to Saturday and comma again give Sunday and press the enter. You can see the result in the true false. Drop down, both are the result true false. So and with and we have give the multiple conditions but required. And with or we give the multiple conditions, but any one condition will be fulfilled. So that time we have used the or formula. And now we have applied here if for our result, just like off and open. So give off and in the inverted comma, give open. Press the enter, again enter, and we have drag down below. But I have the multiple conditions that time. Just like here, we have the mark sheet and subject 2, subject 1, subject 3, subject 4 have a results. Mark, sorry. I want to result. But condition is every subject have a more than 30 than pass, otherwise fail. So that time we have give the and formula. Select the subject 1 is greater than equal to 30. Again, subject 2 greater than equal to 30. Again, subject 3 greater than equal to 30. And subject 4 greater than equal to 30. And press the enter, get the result true. If every subject has greater than 30, then result will be true, otherwise false. But I want to pass and fail. So that time we have applied the formula if. If and give the result is true, then pass, otherwise fail. And press enter and we have drawn down. So you have give the multiple conditions, but every condition have required that time so the true otherwise false with and. Now I want to or. Just like we have the some documentation here. And I want to status okay and pending. But every ID proof, if submitted, then status true. Anyone, not every, anyone. If person say Pooja give the PAN number and UID, and Mohan give the only for voter ID. So both are the status okay because I want to ID proof anyone. But some people give the one, some people give the two, three, four. But if get the one condition fulfilled, then result okay, otherwise pending. So we have applied or here. Select that is equal to y, comma, again select equal to y, and comma, select equal to again y. So one by one, we give the conditions. Select UID equal to and press the enter. So if result will be fulfilled, give the true, otherwise false. So I want to OK and pending. Then we have apply here if formula before of the or. So if or result is true, then OK, otherwise pending. And it down here. But one another conditions, I want to PAN number is compulsory. So PAN is required and other of the one document is required. So we want to two document. First PAN is compulsory and anyone rest of the ID proof. So that time we have used the and or both of together. So and select the y equal to here. So v35 equal to y and we give the or real equal to y, comma, voter equal to y, comma, passport equal to y, comma, UID equal to y. You can see. So here is the and give the take the two conditions first from the direct and second from the or take the four input and any one input have it y then give the true so and receive the two true so give the true here. And you have also applied the formula for your conditions. Now we discuss about the XOR. So sometime I want to give only for one conditions, not a more than one, only for one condition. So this is the this is an advance salary and it is a loan. So person take any one salary, advance, otherwise loan, any one, not a both of, only for one. So we have give the X or formula. First greater than zero, comma, this is the greater than zero. So XOR give the true when any one condition will be true. Any one, only for one. If give the two condition, result is the false. Okay, but I want to not give the, I want to not true and false. I want to data validation. See, people can't enter the both of column. People enter only for one column, M and N, any one column. Just like we have entered the 5,000 here advance, and I want to try 1,000 as a 10,000 as a loan, press the enter, entry not accepted. But how can do it? For this, first we have applied this formula, copy this formula, and select the one single cell, go to the data validation, and data validation here is select the custom and put the formula here. And same formula, put the formula here. And first we have applied the dollar sign before of the formula. It means before the column because column is fixed. And okay. Now copy this and right click, paste spatial, and we have paste with data validation. Now I want to try here any entry not accepted, but we have type here intercepted. This is the and or example. So practice this five. And next class we discuss about the nested if. How can put the multiple if in the one cell? Multiple if. So next class we discuss about the nested if. Thank you.